Ever wondered what happens when stars meet their cosmic demise, torn apart by voracious black holes? Just like when I order that burrito combo deal from Uber Eats? Scrumptious. Anyway, I digressed. We'll now talk about recent discoveries in the field of astrophysics. MIT scientists have identified 18 new TDEs by detecting infrared radiation emitted from dusty galaxies. TDE stands for Tiddy's Detection Ecosystem. TDE stands for Tidal Disruption Events. They are extreme cosmic phenomena where a nearby star is torn apart by the intense gravitational forces of a black hole. This process is known as spaghettification, results in a spectacular release of energy across the electromagnetic spectrum. Despite the name, it has nothing to do with spaghetti. Please, stop thinking about food. But how do black holes come into existence in the first place? And no, I know what you're thinking. Just like you, black holes don't copulate. Instead, they're born from the remnants of massive stars that have reached the end of their lives. When these stars exhaust their nuclear fuel, they undergo a cataclysmic explosion known as a supernova. What remains collapses under its own gravity, forming an infinitely dense core, a singularity, surrounded by an event horizon from which no light can escape. Just like your student loans, they're a financial black hole that sucks away all your money, and thus a black hole is born, ready to exert its gravitational influence on the cosmos. One of these supermassive black holes, the biggest of them all known to men, goes by the name of the Twitch streamer CaseOh. I mean, your mom. Never mind. Let's move on. In the matter of TDEs, these detections more than double the known catalog of TDEs in the nearby universe, until today, since traditional methods of detecting TDEs rely on optical and X-ray observations, which may miss events occurring in dusty galaxies. By searching for infrared emissions instead, scientists can uncover hidden TDEs and gain a more complete understanding of these cosmic events. And no, infrared doesn't stand for "I'm not feeling really red after all, dude. You stupid fuck." Instead, infrared is electromagnetic radiation with longer wavelengths than visible light. This property allows it to pass through these cosmic dust clouds more easily. Therefore, astronomers use infrared light to observe objects and phenomena that might be hidden by dust clouds when observed in visible light. In a separate discovery, astronomers observed the closest TDE to date in a galaxy 137 million light-years away. Even though this is very far away, it's nothing compared to the distance you are from your ex-girlfriend after she broke up with you because of your addiction to League of Legends. This TDE event labeled as WTP-14ADB-JSH. And yes, this is the fucking name they gave to it. They really do be smashing the keyboard in the scientific field. Anyway, WTP-14ADB-JSH went unnoticed by traditional X-ray and optical surveys due to obscuration by dust, just like mentioned before. The discovery of a TDE in a young star-forming galaxy challenges previous assumptions about where these events occur. While most TDEs were thought to occur in quiet galaxies, this finding suggests that active star-forming galaxies may also host these cosmic fireworks. By leveraging infrared observations, scientists can refine their understanding of black hole feeding mechanisms and galaxy evolution. And by black hole feeding, I don't mean that one guy who always finishes off the last slice of pizza without asking. Yes, CaseOh, I'm talking about you.
What the hell, boy?
Furthermore, these discoveries shed light on the rate and distribution of TDEs in the universe, providing valuable insights into the demographics of supermassive black holes. As technology continues to improve, we can expect even more exciting discoveries on the horizon. Much more exciting than your current rank in Valorant, I'm afraid. If you enjoyed this type of content, consider liking and subscribing. Otherwise, I might spaghettify you into a TDE event. Science Nutters. Subscribe if you nut about science.